Thank you for visiting my channel. I am Gail of 876 Documents, and I help Jamaicans all over the world with their passports mainly, but we also do birth certificates, marriage certificates, TRN, driver's license. We assist with obtaining Jamaican citizenship. I enjoy travel by land, air, or by sea. And when I travel, I always make vlogs about it that I post on my Instagram and my TikTok. You can find us on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook. And now we're working on growing our YouTube channel. We can be reached by WhatsApp or by email. And we have a website, www.876documents.com. I do PSA on Jamaican documents as well as I make educational videos because I am a grammar teacher and I am a literacy fanatic at heart. I hope you'll enjoy your YouTube videos, like and follow, share with your friends, and I thank you for watching. I am Gail.